In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Telegram. So this is going to basically be a full guide video. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This works both on PC and on Androids, right? On PC and on smartphones. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Telegram. Let's say you want to get a new contact, like a new touch contact with someone, right? So I can just come on here. Let me say this. I can just type in yo, right? So you can say just message him, right? And if I would love to block him, right? Let's say for your personal reasons and everything, right? You're gonna see this three icons, right? Click on it, click on this, block, right? Block him, right? Once you have done this, if you want to delete everything permanently, you click on it, click on delete, right? Everything would automatically wipe off. So I'm making this video for educational purpose only. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the very next one.